Hello, everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. And the other day, my friend who makes jewelry gave me this necklace, and she asked me for a little bit of help. She made this necklace and she was trying to make the earrings, but she has arthritis really, really bad. And I said, you know what? I'll fix them for you. So I thought I'd show you exactly how I'm going to do that. She's already put the head pin in these bumpy pearls and made a loop. And now I'm just going to open the loop up and dangle them on these lever back ear wires. Now I thought about using a jump ring, but I think they're going to look cuter, just little short danglies. The jump ring will make them lay a little bit longer. And like I said, I vision them more stubbier. But these are really easy to do. She actually did all the hard part already. And she is actually planning on giving this set to somebody. I'm not really for sure who will get it. I know up at the senior center where we have taught jewelry classes before, she likes to bring a lot of the things she makes and just give them. She'll put them in little Ziploc bags and set them on the table for people just to take if they want. Sometimes we'll actually give some of the pieces that we've made to the bingo group as prizes. There they are. Aren't they cute? This makes a really cute set. And I believe I may have a video on how we made these necklaces. If I can find it, I will put a link at the end of this video so you can click on it if you're interested in seeing that. But I want to thank you all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.